Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Saad. So today we discuss about the compiler construction course, and most of the people also commenting me like just introducing a basic level of compiler construction. So this is my 8th lecture according to a compiler construction course or a compiler design. So may also describing the different you can say that may also describing a different topic like intermediate code and operator grammar and so on. So today we just starting from the basic level of compiler construction, also demanding of different peoples and students and so on. So today we discuss about the lexical analysis and regular expression. So we starting lecture before may just giving you a simple review according to the different point of view according to the language. Like you can say that like max, you can say that like function, and like mean. So these are the different name of the function. You can write any name, but like int, bracket, x, y, and bracket. So all of these are the tokens. So comma is also token 1, x is also token, comma is also token, y is also a token. So in this expression or a language, you can say that this one is also a reserved word. Int is a reserved word, but according to the language point of view, this one is a token 1, this one is a token 2, this one is a token 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this language is containing of almost 8 tokens. So these are the basic concept of going to the compiler design course. So we start the lecture from lexical analysis. So you can see on my screen. So this one is a lexical analysis. In this we just remembering two things. One is just like remove white spaces, and second one is just like a remove comment. So this one is a language. You can say that like int max is the function name, and x is also token, bracket is also token, comma is also token, y is also token, and bracket is also comma. So in this string you can just using a 7 tokens like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 tokens. So this one is also function name. You can write any name like f1, like min, max, and you can write anything. So int also a reserved word, may also describing before lecture. So now we discuss about the regular expression plus infinite automata. So in this we just discussing about the regular expression. So what is a regular expression, how can make a regular expression from a given language, and so on. So in this we just remembering two things. One is the alphabets set symbols of a language, and second one is just like word of a language. Combination of alphabet is also called a word. So this is a basic point of view about according to the regular expression. So now we discuss about the regular expression. So how can we make a regular expression of any language and so on. So this one like a symbol like a epsilon, and you can see on my screen like this one is a static. Static just like in a according to compiler construction course, like concept according to the looping concept used for a static. So this is a language converting this into a regular expression. You can write just like an AND operator, and you can just write a b, BB, BA and AB and so on. So dot means and move towards, and you consider so on. So in this repeated any element, like A is also single A and B can't be repeated anywhere, AA is can't be repeated anywhere, BB is also one but not repeated anywhere. So this is a way how can you implement a regular expression of any language and so on. May I just give you another example to describing a more clarity or a more clear concept according to the regular expression. So this one is you're giving a syntax of epsilon, A and B. So in a paper point of view, question arises in a paper like a language having a length less than 4. A language having a length less than 4. It means you also make a expression but or a language but not exceed the length 4 variable, or you can say that can't be exceeded a length of 4 variable. You can just implementing in this like 3 variables, not moving 4 and 5 and so on. So how can you make like starting for AND A, B, AA, BB, AB, BA, make a different combinations like AAA, BBB, AA, BB and BA, BBA. So in this you can see A is only one, can't be repeated in this language or a regular expression. A is only one, BB is only one, AB is also one. But in this statement you can see AB, BA. So AB is a starting point and B is the ending point, and in this B is the starting and A is the ending point. So A and B and BA are the two different part of a language but not a similar, and you can say AB is not repeated anywhere, triple A is not repeated B anywhere. So this is a way how can you implementing a regular expression of any language and so on. So I hope you will be understand according to the regular expression. So must commenting, and if you have any question you just ask me, may I just give you a solution of any problem and so on. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and bye bye.